This is Jason with Breathe Clean Air and Energy, and today we're doing a project that we've been on a couple times. It's up here in Seven Hills outside of Las Vegas. We've done a duct sealing on this home, we've done an energy audit on this home and an air duct cleaning, but today we're going to do an attic sealing, which means we're sealing up all of the can lights that leak from the attic into the home. So this is something that will help energy and indoor air quality. Come with us. This is for shoe covers. We always do shoe covering in homes to make sure that the floor stays safe, but this keeps us safe on the ladders as well. I don't know that you need it.
Do I need it?
No, you're good. It's these can lights up here. All of those can lights usually leak, and they'll leak 5 to 10 CFM into the home, and that brings attic air into the home, and you also lose energy out of the home with the pressure inside the home. So what we do is we seal those up, and that keeps that attic air from entering the home through your can lights. We use a special silicone for this, a clear silicone. And what we're doing is covering all the floor to make sure nothing gets on the floor. And we cover everything with plastic. We want to make sure nothing gets on any of the furniture. We want to take care of the customer's furniture. We want to make sure it's cleaner when we leave than when we got here. And then we'll pop that down, and we're going to seal this entire thing and put it right back up. Oh, there it is. One of the things that we see in homes, and one of the contributors to dust and white dust inside homes, is humidifiers. Here in the desert, the water is really hard and we get a lot of mineralization inside the water. So what happens is when you evaporate that water off, it leaves behind a white dust. And sometimes that white dust ends up on all of your furniture, it'll end up inside your duct system, and it's really hard to get rid of. One of the solutions for that is to go to a distilled water inside your humidifier, and that will really help, or if you do a natural water feature inside your home.
So as you can see the dust here that's on the floor, if I go to wipe it, pull it up on my hands, it's usually a very clean white dust.
Now look at this water feature that we have in this home, and everybody thinks they're great to look at. They're really neat for inside a home, and its only function is cosmetic. But that is not true. And in this home, this is not just a cosmetic water feature. What it's working for is to fill the home with humidity. It's a natural humidifier, and when you use a natural humidifier, you get a natural way of humidifying the air without getting the dust and the dirt and the real white dust you would get from another type of paid-for humidifier. So we're eliminating the white dust and still accomplishing the humidity that we normally wouldn't be able to get inside the desert. So what you do is just grab it down. Yeah, these ones are different. So if you reach to the inside and then seal it. It'd be nice if they stayed down, but they don't. Thank you for tagging along on this project that we did today. This is a large home, and they had a lot of energy issues and a lot of indoor air quality issues. And so we came in, we did testing, duct leakage testing, found indoor quality issues with their duct leakage, and that's on all 5 systems that they have. So we're going to seal the ducts on all 5 systems. Then we found issues with the attic space leaking into the home. So we're solving that as we go today. We're solving all of the light fixtures leaking in and all the little areas and imperfections in the building process. We're sealing that away. We want that unconditioned space to be completely separate from the conditioned space. So what we're doing is separating that. We're going to help homeowners with their indoor air quality issues, their asthma issues. There's multiple people in this home with asthma. So we're helping with that kind of issue. And we're also going to save them money on their energy. Thanks for tagging along. Subscribe and like if you want to follow along with some of our other projects.